Legend says coffee was discovered when a goat herder noticed his animals becoming unusually energetic after eating mysterious red berries.
Curious monks began experimenting with the strange fruit.
They discovered roasting, unlocked powerful aromas.
Soon, coffee began its journey across continents. Today, billions of cups are consumed every year.
Our journey begins in Colombia.
High altitude, rainfall, and rich soil create ideal conditions.
Over months, flowers become fruit.
The cherries ripen under the tropical sun.
Only perfectly ripe cherries are selected. Thousands of cherries are gathered every day.
The harvest must be processed quickly.
The first step is thorough cleaning. Advanced systems remove defects.
The valuable beans are hidden inside.
For the first time, the beans appear. Fermentation develops flavor complexity. Moisture levels must be carefully controlled. The scale is extraordinary.
Now ready for industrial roasting.
The journey continues.
Thousands of tons move every year. Ahead stands one of the region's largest coffee factories. Inside, technology takes over.
Every batch begins with a final inspection before entering production.
Automation dramatically increases speed and consistency. The beans are stored in giant silos before roasting. Every stage is monitored by advanced computer systems. Air pressure moves the beans efficiently through the facility.
Even tiny impurities must be removed.
Artificial intelligence identifies defects instantly.
Now comes the transformation that creates coffee's famous aroma.
The roasting process has begun.
Constant movement ensures even roasting.
Heat triggers thousands of chemical reactions.
This is where coffee develops its signature aroma.
Precision is essential for consistency.
The beans have reached the perfect roast profile.
Cooling stops the roasting process immediately. Cooling stops the roasting process immediately.
The aroma becomes even more intense.
Samples are taken from every batch.
Different beans are blended to create unique flavors.
Consistency is critical.
Next comes grinding.
The beans are transformed into coffee grounds. Particle size affects flavor extraction.
Each particle must meet strict specifications. The production line never stops. Air quality is carefully controlled. The grounds are transported without contamination. Now the coffee is ready for packaging.
Packaging materials arrive with perfect timing.
To preserve freshness, every bag is vacuum sealed within seconds.
Nitrogen protects the coffee from oxygen and extends shelf life. Every package is inspected for perfection. Even the smallest defect is automatically removed. The finished product is prepared for shipment.
Robots organize thousands of packages every hour.
The global journey begins. Coffee travels across continents to reach consumers worldwide.
Weeks after harvest, the coffee reaches store shelves. The final transformation happens in the cup. Years of farming and months of processing lead to this moment.
For millions of people, coffee is part of everyday life.
From a wild mountain berry to a global industry, coffee's journey is extraordinary.
Every cup tells a story of nature, innovation, and human dedication. From the